Hi, I'm Stu, and today we're going to be putting an Anam avatar inside a Lovable website. So let's get straight to it. Here I am on the landing page for Lovable. I'm just going to put the instructions in like you normally would. I'm going to ask it to make me premium class Shopify store for selling trendy shoes. And I'm going to tell it that I would like an embedded Anam avatar as an assistant on the page to help introduce the products and support the site visitors. Okay, so hopefully that's going to give us a good framework for introducing Anam to the site. Lovable's not going to be able to get it right first time because it needs information about our Anam avatar, but let's see how far it gets. Okay, so here it's asking me, do I want to connect an existing Shopify store? I'm just going to create a new one. And here it's asking me for the Anam AI avatar account and API credentials. It doesn't need that, so I'm going to put into other here. Please use an Iframe integration. No need for credentials. We'll submit. Let's see how this does. Okay, so now we are setting up the store. We have to allow it to create a Shopify connection. We're going to create a new store. I'm going to put in my country. Lost it again. United Kingdom there. Create a store. And off it goes again. Okay, here we go. It's got something, but we've got no products yet, so it's telling us no products yet. Create your first trendy shoe by telling me create a product named, and I'm just going to ask it to create an array of different products. So please create a set of products. Be creative and make sure they have appropriate UK prices and product images. Let's see how it does. Okay, it seems to have finished, so let's refresh the page. See what we've got. Excellent. So here we go. We've got a number of shoes here at the bottom, and as you can see at the top we've got this placeholder for the Anam avatar, which it doesn't know how to do yet. So let's get into that bit. Great. So over to the Anam lab, I've already created a avatar by going through the build process and asking for a certain look, and you know, she's standing in front of shoes in a shoe shop. She's a shoe assistant, called her Sharon, the shoe assistant. So what we need to do is we need to fill in the prompt here first, the system prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this to Lovable. I'm going to ask Lovable to create a prompt that's crafted specifically for this store. So here is the Anam system prompt placeholder. Can you please adapt and expand it to be specific to this store? And I'll copy that in there and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, here we go. So it's written out a full prompt for us here that we can copy over. Now it's hard coded the prices into the system prompt. That's fine for now. We will do this as a hard-coded example. Later on in another video, we will look at integrating our avatar with actual real data. But for now, this is perfect. So let me copy all of this text all the way from role down to the bottom. Right, and I'm going to put it in here. And here we go. Let's get rid of the AI's instructions, and we're going to save that persona. Okay, so now we've got the prompt in. How are we going to use this? Well, all we need to do is click the publish button. It's going to open a dialog which gives us our embed instructions. And if you look down here, we can generate an embed code, but what we're really interested in is the entire code here. So we expand it there, and then we're going to copy it. So that this gives us the whole iframe code, and we're going to give that back to Lovable so that it can embed that in the website. Let's go back to Lovable, and we'll say, here is the iframe code for the Anam avatar. Hopefully I'll just put that in the site, and we will be able to connect straight up to Sharon, the shoe assistant. Okay, and as easy as that, we now have an Anam avatar in our Lovable website. Let's give it a spin and see how well it does. Hello there.
Hi there. Welcome to TrendStep. I'm Alex, your personal shopping assistant. How can I help you find your perfect pair of shoes today?
Can you tell me a little bit about the shoes that you've got in?
Of course. We have a fantastic collection of 6 unique styles right now, covering everything from performance runners and classic high tops to futuristic trainers and bold platform sneakers. We've got something for every style and occasion. Is there a particular look or activity you have in mind?
The activity I have in mind is running.
For running, we have an excellent option called the Urban Runner Pro. They're performance running shoes in electric blue and black, featuring a lightweight, breathable mesh upper and responsive cushioning. They're perfect for city joggers who want both performance and style. We also have the Tech Knit Trainer, which offers advanced cushioning technology and a breathable knit construction, though they're more of a fashion-forward athletic shoe.
That's great. Thank you so much. So there you go. We've got a Lovable website with an Anam avatar integrated inside it, able to interact with the customer and talk about the products. This isn't integrated with the data layer yet. We're going to look at that in another video, where we can actually use a no-code framework to connect to our functions in the Anam avatar and then call things on the Shopify store. We'll be able to do things like search for products and add them to the cart, that kind of thing. But for now, this gives us a really good idea of just how you could get an Anam avatar embedded into your Lovable website. Let me know how you get on, and show me any examples of things that you've managed to get done in Lovable. See you soon.